So I've got the Amazon Alexa Echo Show 5, and let me show you how to set this thing up step by step. Now I've just taken this out of the box, and inside this box you only get the Echo Show 5. It's this Amazon Alexa with a screen. At the top here we have the mute button, the volume down, volume up, and then you have this button, or rather a switch, to cover the camera. So this is your camera mute. So that's camera on, camera off. Okay, so that's what that is. Now there's a power port at the back. This is a third generation Echo Show 5 that doesn't have multiple ports at the back, only one port. Now, first things first, you plug in the power, plug in the Echo Show 5 to power. So once you plug in one end to power, the other end goes to the back of this Amazon Alexa. There you go. And that should turn on the Amazon Alexa. There you go. So once it turns on, first thing you need to do is select the language. So I'm going to choose English because that's what I want to use. Then hit continue.
Hello. Ready for setup.
Now, if you have the Alexa app on your phone, then you can simply scan this QR code and continue the setup process, or you can just continue on this device. Now, because this is a touchscreen device, you can actually do everything on this device. So on my phone, I'm just going to go to the Amazon Alexa application and then tap on the menu. Now, even before I tap on the menu, you may see this pop-up telling you the Echo Show 5 is ready for setup, as you can see. So just hit agree and continue, and then it's going to attempt to connect to the device. Now, if it doesn't, then you have to go to the menu, tap on the plus icon, and then select your Echo Show. So it's currently transferring information like the Wi-Fi connection, as you can see. And then it says device connected to Wi-Fi, and it's now already signed into my Amazon account. So all I can do is tap on done, and it's currently updating to the latest firmware. So I'm gonna hit continue, and I'm back to Alexa, and all I have to do now is just wait for the Echo Show 5 to finish setting up. It has all the information it needs right from my Alexa app on the phone. So the terms of use are here, so I'm gonna just read, then hit agree and continue. Then let's finish this up. So time zone is fine. I'm just gonna hit continue, and it says Alexa uses your location to give you your local weather and whatnot. So I can adjust that later. And then it says that's the name for the Echo Show. I'm gonna hit continue. But in case you want to rename your device, you can do it from right there, or you can do it later in the settings. And then choose where you want to place this. So which room in your house you're placing this. I'm gonna put mine in office because it's an office Alexa. Hit continue. And then choose your clock and photo display, which is basically what you're going to be seeing on the screen most of the time. So you can choose from seasonal wallpapers, nature wallpapers, travel wallpapers, or wild earth, okay, depending on what you want. So I'm just going to choose nature and then hit continue. It says, do you want to enable Alexa Plus on your compatible devices for free? I'm going to read through this and then hit continue. Now sit back and relax while I get everything ready. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And once we're all set up, you will see the wallpaper, and there's your Amazon Alexa. There's your Amazon Echo Show 5 all ready to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.